Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have some leftover rice of which I'm going to make a delicious stir fry with chicken and mushroom. My ingredients are I have a 500-gram chicken breast meat which I stripped, washed and marinated for about 2 hours. This marinade calls for a teaspoon of mixed chicken spice, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic, and a tablespoon of oil, which I had it marinated and rested for 2 hours. I have 2 small onions that are sliced. I'm using a splash of olive oil. I've got a cup of frozen mixed veg, which I rinsed out. I have a 250-gram of mushroom, and here I have half of the pepper that I sliced, a grind of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Mrs. Balls, and a quarter cup of soy sauce to bring out a bright color, a teaspoon of ginger garlic, a teaspoon of salt to taste, and some lovely thyme, of which I'm just going to use the leaves of it. Now I'm ready to get going for my stir fry. I've got my stove on to moderate heat, and I'm going to put in a generous splash of olive oil. And allow the oil to heat up properly. And allow these onions to fry out till it's soft. Now my onions are fried out. Put in my ginger garlic and my thyme. Okay, now I'm going to give this a good stir all together. Now I'm adding in my chicken. Mix this up. Then I'll add in my salt, mix this. I will allow my chicken to fry out. It's been 10 minutes and my chicken came to a fry. Now I'm going to add in my frozen veg. I'll give this another 5 minutes. Five minutes has passed. I wouldn't want the mixed veg to get too soft. I like it a little crunch. So now I'm going to add in my mushroom to it. and my pepper. I'll give this a good mix and allow this to cook for another 5 minutes. 10 minutes has passed and my mushroom and my pepper is done. So now I'm going to give it a grind of black pepper. Two tablespoons of Mrs. Ball's chutney. And quarter cup of soy sauce. I'll mix this all together and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. My stir-fried curry is done. We actually tasted the salt and it was a little extra, so I added in a tablespoon of Mrs. Ball's chutney to it. So all in all we had 3 tablespoons of Mrs. Ball's. Now I'm ready to put in my rice to the chicken. Give it a good mix. Now you can see how nice it's all fried together. And the veggies are still a little bit crunchy. Now I'm ready to serve out. Here you go, your lovely stir-fry chicken and mushroom, of which I used my leftover rice. That's a very good way to reduce wastage. If you want, you can also sprinkle some lovely peanuts or cashew nuts on the top, or even you can sprinkle some lovely crushed chilies on the top. I know the children are going to enjoy this meal. I hope you all can give it a try. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.